What's up guys, it's your boy Mike here, and in today's video we're going to be talking about the basics of hiking and how to get into hiking. So if you're a beginner or a newbie, this is the video for you. Stay tuned. To be honest with you, hiking is pretty simple. You don't need all these fancy gear and fancy equipment. Most of the time, all you really need is some hiking shoes, running shoes, some water, and you can get started. So don't make it complicated for yourself, just have some fun. One of the most important things to consider is weather. So always check your weather forecast even the day before and the night before, because we all know weather is unpredictable sometimes and it may change, and you need to know exactly what you're gonna be wearing. If it's gonna be a rainy day, you know, you're gonna need maybe some more layers, rain gear, or if it's gonna be super hot, then you know you're gonna be wearing some short shorts, some hat, sunblock. So be aware of the weather. Another useful tool that I highly recommend is an app called alltrails.com. I've been using this from the beginning, ever since I got into hiking, and it's been amazing. So it's gonna give you all kinds of hiking information, trail information, like the total miles, elevation gain, directions to the trailhead, the GPS coordinates. I mean, anything that you can think of. It's an amazing tool, especially if you have a phone and you're just getting started. You can pretty much follow the trail based off your GPS location. So again, check it out, totally free. The next thing I recommend is start off with local hikes in your area, because if you do these really long hikes and strenuous hikes with elevation gain, your body is probably not used to it yet. So start slow, progress slowly every week and every month, and I guarantee you'll be able to do these crazy and fun hikes that will challenge you every single time. Alright, my fellow hikers, hopefully you got some useful information from this video and you can apply it to your next hike. And again, if you like these videos that I've been putting out, consider subscribing to my channel and make sure you follow me on Instagram. And until next time, stay humble and I will see you on the next trail.